Hi, what's up, Vechain Holder? So what's going on? What's up, my viewers, my subscriber? What's going on? This is a very good time over there for Vechain Holder to get a very good profit now. But definitely that's all just and only possible if you hold now. So in this video, I will tell you about my brothers the selling, buying, what we need my brothers to do, sell, hold, or buy. So kindly you need to watch this video completely and understand better now and take a good chance my brothers to get a profit. This time my brother, the last 1 hour price is 0.22% my friend is going to be profit now, and so percentage is increasing. And the last 1 day you can see here plus 1.31% increasing. The last 7 days you can see here 23.94% price is increasing now, and the current price is 0.083873 USD dollar. And the market rank, as you can see here, 22, and the market cap you can see here 5 billion. The 24-hour volume is 623 billion. And my brother, this time if you can see here, the circulating supply 65 billion, max supply 86 billion, distribution my brother 75.24% profit now. That's a really great chance my brothers to upcoming time which channel will give you a very good profit and make you millionaire now. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and get a profit now. Thanks for watching Vechain Holder. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.